morning, my fellow scrollers. Cheers and greetings to you all. I just got my saw last February, and I have been very happy with it. It's amazing. But I have been having this problem when tilting my saw. When I move the lever down here, I can see the back moving like this, and it will not go further than this. It's about 30 degrees to the right, and see how it moves. I don't know if that's normal. And to the left, I have to really struggle to try and move it, and it won't go any further. I tried to put a little grease here in these bearings, but now it will not go more than this. There we go. Okay, to that side. I can never go past like 15. It's really stuck in there. Could you offer some help, any one of you? Maybe what I can do to help it tilt more? Thank you guys. By the way, if you want to help me grow my channel, like and subscribe. Cheers.